A very good morning to everyone. We at Sharjah Ambassador School safeguard, protect and educate pupils and staff in the acceptable use of technology and communication. Students are taught to be critically aware of the content that they access online and are guided to validate the accuracy of information. The school internet access is designed expressly for students' use and includes filtering appropriate to the needs of our students. Students are encouraged to report any incidents which is against the e-safety and behavior policy. Digital Citizenship Week focused on using responsible, respectful and ethical behavior when using technology. With technology at their fingertips 24/7, it's more important than ever to ensure that students are behaving appropriately in the digital world. Various activities and interactive games on internet safety were shown to the children to create awareness about safe online surfing, password protection, not sharing personal information and understanding social media better. Earth Day was celebrated on the 25th of April under the theme Restore Our Earth, and it focused on natural processes, emerging green technologies and innovative thinking to restore the world ecosystems. Grade 1 were engaged in a parental activity making dirt pudding cup with gummy worms and plantable paper earth. Grade 2 built a terrarium to understand how plants survive. Grade 3 created a low-cost, ecologically friendly solar oven and recycled decorative plant holders. Grade 4 made a video presentation about environmental problems, while Grade 5 prepared a meal without wastage and less energy consumption. Grade 6 created comic strips on how a simple act of blogging can reduce pollution. Grade 7 created valuable messages on the impact of climate change on poverty, while a video presentation on the importance of practicing regenerative farming was done by Grade 8. Grade 9 and 10 took photographs of barren area and then came up with plans to regenerate that space into a lush green environment. Alone, one can do so little. Together, we can do so much. The Student Council, comprising of school leaders, house captains and prefects, is a student representative body that shoulders the responsibility and engages in a structured partnership with teachers, parents and school management. And they take an active part in promoting the vision and mission of the school. We virtually witnessed our student ambassadors receiving their leadership responsibilities on the 27th of April in a ceremony which was telecast live on YouTube. As part of the Heritage Day celebrations, students experienced the country's rich cultural legacy through various activities across the grades, like watching documentaries on some important World Heritage sites, collage making and digital poster making activities, etc. This day showcased the importance of saving the rich heritage which has been given to us by our ancestors. Coming up this month is the Autism Awareness Day, Times Table's Rock Stars and Labor Day activities. So until next time, ensure that you and your family are e-safe. Thank you.